Namaste to all Marathonishis International School people, all the students, parents and teachers. Welcome you all on behalf of International Day of Yoga 2020. So on behalf of International Day of Yoga, I want to give one of the relevant yoga practice which is useful for all the students as well as all the people whoever wish to dedicate some time for yoga. As we all know that June 21st is celebrated as International Day of Yoga. This year theme is Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home. Because we all know that COVID-19 situation, pandemic is spread, social distancing measures have been taken, people cannot go out for their self-practice or it may be related to the sports or it may be related to yoga, all the activities have shut down and that's why we have to do some practice at home. So today I am going to suggest you a relevant yoga module called as SGP, Synchronized Global Prayer. Even though it sounds as a prayer, it's a set of yogic practice which is act or designed for this particular situation of COVID-19 pandemic. When the lockdown was started, Indian Yoga Association called all the yoga major gurus in India like in our Vyasa Yoga University Chancellor Dr. Nagendra ji, Ravi Shankar ji, and from Art of Living and Isha Sadhguru ji, like that Patanjali's Baba Ramdev, all the people have united and they discussed which kind of yoga can be relevant for this particular situation. Yoga is an ocean of knowledge, bundle of knowledge. So out of this, what is relevant for the present situation and how much one person can dedicate time for this particular practice. Considering all this in the mind, the huge amount of research paper was also considered when they designed it, and they produced this very simple, beautiful model called SGP or Synchronized Global Prayer. Before going to that sequence of the prayer, I wish to explain that how yoga is relevant in this particular situation. We know that yoga is helping you to rebuild your health, emotional, physical or your spiritual well-being. This is everybody is aware of it. MAS is practicing yoga for many years, encouraging yoga-related activities. In that way, you all will be knowing it. How it is relevant in the present situation, let me tell. So there are two important things we need to consider now. One, to have a better resistant power, immunity. Immunity is nothing but our body defense mechanism to fight against any diseases or disorders. So this is called immunity. So our immune power should be high so that we can stay away from this particular infection. And second thing, anxiety. Anxiety is due to the lot of situation because we know many lives are getting lost. Your connected people or known people are getting lost and their respective people are under pressure. You are under the lockdown situations. Your regular school activities have been arrested, regular office activities are arrested. So there is a situation where people can't dream something for their future. That is the situation now. So naturally anxiety goes up because of the thinking is very rapid. So emotionally charged up people, many are now. So in this consideration, they have suggested this very simple practice called as Synchronized Global Prayer. So whenever this immunity, you might have been studied, those who studied science will be knowing that our defense mechanism, body defense mechanism or immunity is nothing but a bunch of cells like WBC, they are running throughout the body checking that is there any foreign invader who is disturbing the normal physiology or normal function of the body. So at present situation, who is the enemy? Or coronavirus. Okay. This coronavirus, which is scientifically, we call it as coronavirus. We don't know how it is in the other point of view. From a scientific point of view, this enemy is coronavirus. When this virus is invading, the entry portals are our respiratory tract and digestive tract. So what are the defense mechanism body has? Body has the first level of defense as our tonsils, adrenals, ethmoid sinus, nasal sinus. These all secrete certain antioxidant. WBC cells will be surrounding that and try to suppress the enemy from the entry point itself. So whenever an infection happens, body undergoes a stress. Stress is not a disorder. Stress is not a disorder or it's not a disease. Normally it is a kind of natural way to cope up the situation. For example, person is undergoing an abnormal situation from the normal situation. It may be physical level, emotional level, we call it as a stress. To cope up the stress, body have to work fast. So the first level of defense itself working fine means the immune cells are very active and tonsils are very active. We can suppress the infection there itself. When we fail, the coronavirus invade further and infecting our blood systems. The more infection will start, more deeper level consequences will be there. The first level of defense, the body will get the temperature high, keep the temperature high so that the enemy can't multiply inside, like this. So why the people are failing? See, when an infection comes, if the person is aware that he is infected, his anxiety goes up, his thinking will start. If I am not able to come out of this situation or come out of this disease, what will happen? I am away from my loved ones, what to do? I can't see my home people. When I can see, whether I will be able to see, hundred thousands of thoughts will come. That will make you emotionally charged. When you are emotionally stressed or anxiety is high, body immune system will work low. Mainly because body can't focus on many areas. When anxiety goes up, 10 times more pressure on the system to cope up. 10 times more stress on your body. So it can't focus that actively as it was focusing earlier. That is why very important to keep our anxiety level low or keeping ourselves calm or peaceful. People say be peaceful, calm, don't think. How to avoid these thoughts? If you say thoughts please don't come, whether thoughts will stop? And you say that okay, I wish to be calm, whether you can be calm? No. So there are certain practices are required for that. Either it can be prayer, some people do prayer, through that they get charged, through that they keep themselves happy, positive, joyful. And this is the way of how I am suggesting through yoga. So in this particular module, we are suggesting you two important breathing. One is abdominal breathing, other one Bhramari Pranayama. Abdominal breathing, all of you might have been practiced it. What it is like deep breathing. Inhalingly, you have to take your breath as deep as possible, expand your abdomen, exhalingly, go back. Normally what happens, you are breathing through the chest, inhalingly, you are expanding your chest, exhalingly, it goes down. This is a shallow breathing. When you are anxiety, when you are stressed, when you are emotionally excited, you will be doing this shallow breathing. It uses only lesser part of your lung, narrow part of your lung. When you are doing abdominal breathing, the wider part of the lungs are used. More surface area, more amount of oxygen can enter inside, right? So it enhances the capacity of the lung. That is very important of abdominal breathing. Then Bhramari Pranayama. Bhramara means bee. You might have been seeing that honey bee which is visiting, making the sound, visiting from one flower to other flower, pollinating it. That's called Bhramara. With the inhalation, if you make a slow humming sound, that is called Bhramara breathing. With exhalation, if you are making that humming sound like that is called Bhramari breathing. So Bhramari have a mudra, different mudras are there. So when you do Bhramari breathing, your tonsils, sinus bracts, all will feel the vibration. And there are, as I told you, the sinus will secrete some antioxidant. It is proven through the research also that this antioxidants amount of secretion will be more when you are doing this yogic practice. It is research scientifically proved through the research papers, and that's how it enhances the immunity. Second thing, after practicing Bhramari, in SGP we practice for 27 times, you feel an extreme calmness, poised, peaceful situation. Very wonderful. Nice to experience. Before practice, how you are. After Bhramari chanting, how you are, just observe that. You don't want to think anything. You don't want to talk. After Bhramari, if I ask somebody their opinion, they are reluctant because that calm they are. Bhramari takes us to the very calm situation. Bhramari can also be practiced before examination. The day before examination, you are very stressed. You are lot of thinking, thoughts are coming to your mind. You are not able to control your anxiety. Try Bhramari. Immediately you can come to message. Wonderful pranayama. So these two pranayamas are suggested in this particular practice. So the sequence of synchronized global prayer suggested by Indian Yoga Association goes like this. 1. First, do a prayer of as per your faith, just to keep your focus inside. Bring your focus inside by doing some prayers, or it may be just Om chanting, or keeping yourself with the Chin Mudra, touching your forefinger and middle finger. taking chin mudra and keeping yourself poised. Then start abdominal breathing, 5 to 10 times or 21 times abdominal breathing. That will make you calm down. First level. Then start the SGP. SGP first step is Brahmari Pranayama. As I told you, Brahmari Pranayama can be done in with different mudras. The first mudra is, like I suggest, Shanmukhi Mudra. In Shanmukhi Mudra, with this thumb, we press this earlobe like this. Then we place forefinger and middle finger on the eyes. Don't press the eyes, just place there. Then a ring finger beside the nose. Don't keep it on the nose, close the nose, just on the sides of the nose. Then small finger beside the mouth. This is Shanmukhi Mudra. So with this mudra, you have to chant Brahmari like So this is one level of one chanting Brahmari. Now I chanted a little longer. Normally Brahmari you can extend up to 20 seconds of exhalation. Exhalation can be extended up to 20 seconds. Always remember, our exhalation should be more than inhalation. It should be double the ratio of the inhalation. So Brahmari helps us to exhale more, so that we can take more oxygen. So in SGP, you no need to practice this long Brahmari. Just need to practice 5 to 10 seconds. That's all. 5 to 10 seconds. Short Brahmari breathing. So if you feel difficult to hold like this, 5 Brahmari you do this, then you can keep your fingers also this way. Or you can take Chin Mudra. If you have shoulder related ailment problems, then you can keep Chin Mudra. Do 27 times Brahmari. Either 5 times with the mudra, 22 times without mudra, or as per your choice. Okay. So do that 27 times Brahmari. After finishing 27th round, try to keep quiet and observe yourself, how calm you are, how blissful you are, how joyful you are. You feel that you're connected to your spirit, right? So that union, that yoga is happened. That is the beauty of Brahmari Pranayama. After the Brahmari Pranayama, we are taking a resolution. The resolution suggested by Indian Yoga Association is, with all our collective power of peace, let's win over COVID-19. So this is one line they say, with all our collective power of peace, we win over COVID-19. This message we convey 9 times inside, so that giving a hope within that will come out of the situation. Then the last thing is Shanti, clapping. That's the third point is clapping. First Brahmari chanting, then resolution. Third point is clapping. 9 times you have to clap. When we do through online sessions and all, it's a joyful thing from different parts of the globe. People join, and after that, this thing we clap 9 times. Keeping ourselves active. So after the clapping, we can conclude with the Shanti Mantra. Shanti Mantras are those chantings which are meant for a prayer, not only for us, the Samashti, not only for the Srishti, not for this body alone, for the entire Samashti, means that everyone. So normally we choose that Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha. This is the way we conclude the SGP. So I repeat now, how the SGP starts. Do the prayer as per your choice, like close your eyes. Take abdominal breathing. Inhaling, expand your abdomen. Exhaling, contract inside. Observe the prana entering through your nostrils, passing through the trachea, expanding your lungs. Observe as deep as possible how warm breath comes on. Continue abdominal breathing in your own pace. Make sure that exhalation is more than inhalation. Controlled long release of the breath. Then go with the Brahmari breathe in, like close your ears, eyes, nose, mouth, then near the mouth. Just keeping the fingers out there, keeping focus inward. Like this, you can go for 27 times. Then take the resolution with all our collective power of peace, we win over COVID-19. Repeat it 9 times within. Clap. Then conclude with the Shanti Mantra. Shanti Mantras are normally like, as I told you, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Salutation to your favorite God. Matradevo Bhava. Your mother. Salutation to your mother. Pitradevo Bhava. Salutation to your father. Acharya Devo Bhava. Salutation to all your reverend teachers and masters. Atiti Devo Bhava. Rashtra Devo Bhava. The last salutation for Mother Earth. Like this we can conclude. This is a very simple module. I just gave the demonstration of that. So each one of you can practice. If you calculate the time, it will not take more than 15 to 20 seconds, not 20 minutes, sorry. It takes only 15 to 20 minutes. Ideally, time suggested by Indian Yoga Association is morning 8 o'clock and evening 6 o'clock, because across the globe, all the centers we are practicing in that time, you are joining there. So when you do SGP every day, you are increasing your immunity, you are keeping your anxiety level low, you are generating positive energy within, you are through the Brahmari chanting, the positive energy you are contributing to the cosmic. There are a lot of negative energies are generating. People are dying, people are losing their loved ones, their sadness, and some people are anxiety, some are under job stress, some are under financial stress, emotional stress. So a lot of negative energies are coming. So you are contributing positive energy in a day when you practice SGP. This is a very simple module suggested by our Yoga Association, and we are all practicing from last 2.5 months. You can do self-practice, you can do online, gather together, your next app also you can gather together and practice. In this way, you can keep yourself positive. Convey to yourself, we are not born to represent negative, we are born to represent positivity. The Lord has sent us to represent positiveness in this world, contribute good energy, contribute good service to the society. We are born to represent the positiveness, not for the negative. To become the image of negative, there may be many. Let us not become that. We should represent the strength of the spirit, strength inside. Live like a spiritual being, live like a scholar. Spread the positive ray. Always through your act, through your speech, try to increase it more. That is the message which I wish to give. So for this practice, you don't need to go out, you don't need to mingle with the people. So stay inside, stay safe, stay healthy. The message of Indian International Day of Yoga is this: stay yoga for health, yoga at home. Yoga for health and yoga at home is the message conveyed for this year. I wish you all the best. All you're practicing yoga for many years, do this simple practice, keep yourself active, and with this I conclude my message here. I thank all the Marathonicians International School officials, Anita ma'am, and all the people for providing this opportunity to convey the message. And I wish this module will motivate you and keep your day positive. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can come back to us, you can write to me. Many of you are my students, I may be missing you from many years, and some are new faces will be there. Let's do this on behalf of everybody. Wishing you all success, all happiness, joy, to all of you. Thank you, one and all.